guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make paprika chicken. This is very easy recipe. Let me take you to the ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need some chicken. This is only chicken thigh and the skin is on. Half lemon. I'm just gonna squeeze the juice from this. Onions. This is just one medium-sized onion dice. For the spices over here, I got some paprika powder, chili powder, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. We also need some oil, which is in my pan right now. And if you don't want to use garlic in this recipe, you don't have to. You can just avoid it, just leave it. And the lemon, you can use one whole lemon. If your lemon has enough juice, then half is enough. Now what I'm gonna do is, to this bowl, I'm gonna add all of these spices together, and then I wanna mix them all. Just mix them all, just like that, and then just spread it onto your chicken. Okay, I already washed my hand. Now you're gonna use your hand and just mix those spices to the chicken. Make sure they're coating everywhere, in between the skin as well. Oil is preheating. I'm gonna add my onion. Give that a mix and let the onion get translucent. Alright guys, now I'm gonna arrange my chicken. Just put the skin side down. And then if you have to do this in batches, if your pan is too small, then you can do this in batches. Alright guys, I did this in batches. So my first batch, I have removed them. First you have to flip them, let them cook on the other side, and then I add all of them after cooking the second batches. Now you're gonna add a little bit of water. After you add water, you're gonna cover this and let it cook. Now the water will get to the spices that is in the bottom, and then you will see the nice color that the chicken will get after this will be done completely. Then I'll show you the how it looks like. Okay guys, my paprika chicken was on the stove. Total time it takes to cook was 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. And then right now what I'm gonna do is just squeeze some lemon juice. Now I wanna put my chopped coriander. Hope you enjoyed this video with me today. Get the full written recipe down below. This is so simple and easy. So simple ingredients that goes inside, get together. It comes together in absolutely no time. Perfect for a weeknight dinner. If you're in a rush, you're coming home from work and you have some chicken in your hand in the fridge, just make this dish. Everybody will be happy. And I am going to serve this with a couscous salad. You can serve this with bread, with a big bed of lettuce, or with rice, anything, or even on pasta. You're the own boss in your kitchen. There's a full written recipe down below. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.